My wife and I decided to put in a small backyard pond as a DIY project. We have a shaded spot with an electrical outlet left over from a pool we used to have, so it was the perfect spot. First, we bought a preformed 145-gallon pond. Then, we started digging. Special shout out to our firstborn, Gray, for doing a lot of the heavy digging. Once we got the depth right, we leveled and backfilled with sand and the leftover dirt. Mother Nature helped fill the pond with 2 nights of rain, but it was a bit cloudy. So it was time for the crucial part of pond water health, the pump and filter. Fortunately, a company called Papa Soap has this all-in-one kit. It comes with a pump and filter combination and a waterfall spillway. It even includes an LED light strip so your waterfall looks great at night. The link to that kit is in the comments section. It was super easy to put together and to clean and maintain, so I got my filtration going right away. Next, it was time to add river rock to the pond bottom. Since the rock is dirty and I wanted the water to start as clean as possible, I rinsed the river rock with a homemade strainer, my patio chair. I placed a bucket below to collect the water for my thirsty backyard potted plants. Speaking of plants, I then added the 3 recommended types of pond plants: submergent creeping jenny, rooted and underwater, emergent pond lilies, rooted underwater but leaves on top, and floating water hyacinths. I think I bought too many of those. Anyway, next, my wife, the landscaping expert, added the cosmetic touches like additional river rock and limestone landscaping rock that makes it all look natural and beautiful. And finally, a solar-powered 3-light underwater array, also from Papa Soap, to illuminate the pond's newest residents, 6 tiny goldfish. The end result was a beautiful backyard hangout and a great wildlife habitat.